Unit 4 Timeline Assessment. Answer on your GradeCam answer document. Part 1 Matching. Match the term on the left with the definition on the right. Bubble the correct letter on the GradeCam answer document. Number 1 Chronological order. Number 2 BC. Number 3 CE. Number 4 BCE. Number 5 AD. Number 6 century. The answer choices: letter A, Common Era; B, before the Common Era; C, order in which events happened; D, 100-year span; E, before Christ; F, Anno Domini, year of our Lord. Part 2. Put the dates below in chronological order. Bubble in correct letter on the GradeCam answer document. A. 27 BCE, B. 1998 CE, C. 1 CE, D. 100 BCE. Turn the page over. Part 3. Use the timeline below to answer the following questions. Bubble in the correct letter on the GradeCam answer document. Presidents. 1930. Franklin D. Roosevelt elected president. 1940. Franklin D. Roosevelt becomes first president elected to third term as president. A. 1950. Dwight D. Eisenhower elected president. B. 1960. Lyndon Johnson becomes president upon John F. Kennedy's death. 1970. Richard Nixon resigns from presidency. 1980. Laws. 1930. Social Security Act passed. 1940. Taft-Hartley Labor Act passed. 1950 C. 1960. Civil Rights Act passed. 1970. Constitutional Amendment lowers voting age to 18. 1960 or 1980. Wars. 1930. 1940. United States enters World War II. D. 1950. Korean War ends. 1960. United States begins sending troops to Vietnam. 1970. Vietnam War ends. 1980. Question 11. Which century are the events in the timeline? A. 18th, B. 19th, C. 20th, D. 21st. Question 12. What type of timeline is illustrated above? A. Single tier, B. Multi-tier. Question 13. In 1944, Franklin Roosevelt was elected to a fourth term as President of the United States. Which letter shows where this event should be located? A is A, B is B, C is C, D is D. 14. What is the time span length of the timeline? A. 30 years, B. 40 years, C. 50 years, D. 60 years. Question 15. How many years has passed between the Civil Rights Act passing and the voting age being lowered to 18? 5 years, B, 7 years, C, 9 years, D, 10 years.